In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a meeting notes database in Notion. Notion is a versatile tool that can help streamline your workflow and keep your notes organized efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a customized space where you can store all your meeting notes in one place, making it easy to access and review them whenever you need. To get started, we'll begin by creating a meeting notes database within Notion. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you'd like to house your new database. Once there, create a new page by clicking on the Add a Page button, which you will find on the left sidebar. Now title this page as Meeting Notes Database to clearly identify its purpose. This will be your central hub for storing all your meeting information. Next, let's add a touch of personalization by adding an icon to our page. Click on the small empty square at the top left of your new page next to the title. Here, you'll have the choice to select an icon that represents meetings for you, perhaps a calendar, notebook, or any other symbol that fits your style. This visual enhancement not only helps with aesthetics, but also makes locating the page easier at a glance. Once we have our page and icon prepared, we'll move on to the headline or title section. Directly below the page title, you'll find space to add a descriptive headline. Consider adding a brief sentence that captures the essence of this database, perhaps something like, "All your meeting insights in one place." This headline can serve as a quick reminder of the page's function each time you access it. Now let's focus on structuring our database by creating a table. Notion is excellent at organizing information neatly, and tables are a perfect choice for detailed note-keeping. To insert a table, simply type the / symbol, / in Notion, and then select Table. Inline. You'll see a table appear where you can now customize the columns based on the key details you tend to note during meetings, such as date, attendees, agenda, key points, and action items. After setting up your table, we want to include a button that facilitates the process of adding new notes. You can do this by inserting a template button. Again, type "HT" and select Template button. This button can be set to automatically generate a new row in your table, ensuring uniformity and saving time when you're in a hurry. And there you have it, a structured and easy-to-use meeting notes database in Notion tailored to your specific needs. By using this database, you'll be able to keep all your meeting notes organized and easily accessible, so nothing important ever slips through the cracks. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you streamline your note-taking process.